Hello everyone, welcome to An Artist Studio. This is Nishat Rahman, and in today's video I'm going to tell you how I turned my color stained shoes into a pair of smart looking ones which look brand new. Since I paint wall murals, I can't avoid having paint all over my clothes or shoes, and it really hurts to replace them frequently, especially if they are still in good condition. So I found an easy way to restore my shoes by using acrylic paints, and in case you also have a pair of shoes that's color faded, stained, or you simply don't like the color, then this hack is for you. Stay tuned and let me tell you step by step how to do this in an easy way. So I first washed my shoes to ensure it's dust free and remove the laces. Then I made a shade of olive green color which I wanted to use by mixing yellow, blue, white and black acrylic paint with a little water. If you want, you can skip this part and can simply buy a ready-made color shade of your choice. Mix it with water and paint directly over the shoes. Make sure the paint is not very thick or thin and give it a good coverage. And while we are at it, please do give it a thumbs up if you are enjoying the video so far and subscribe to my channel. Now getting back to it, once the one coat is done, we need to let it dry for some time and then apply second coat over it. For the heel counter, toe cap and lace guards, I made a darker shade of the same color by adding a bit more black to the base paint. If you decide to do the same thing, then do remember to save some original paint before changing the color tone because you would want to use it for the final touch-up. After finishing 2 coats to the darker parts, I then used 2 coats of titanium white for the sole and for the stripes. I will add the names of the paints with their Amazon links in the description box, but you can always choose a brand that you like and you can also buy from a local stationery. Now next we have to give it a protective layer, and for that I'm using a clear lacquer spray. This is a 400 ml bottle, but you can buy a smaller one also in case you do not need it for anything else. It's better to use the spray can in an outside area and wear a mask while using it. Spray it evenly all over the surface from a little distance. This also needs to be sprayed twice, so maintain a time gap to let them dry between the 2 coats. Once it's all done, let it dry for a couple of hours before you can flaunt them. Hope you enjoyed this video, so please do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much and wish you all a creative time ahead.